Out here in the desert, where the summers run wild, Evolve shows up with a smile. When the AC quits on 100-degree day, or your heater gives up in the cold, no way. Call the crew that the Valley trusts every time. Evolve and comfort, one rees at a time. From Henderson to Vegas streets, we bring that service you just can't beat. Problem solved, thanks Evolve. Anything you got, we'll get involved. Air, heat, plumbing, we do it all. Just give our team a call. Air conditioning, heating and plumbing, fast, fair, friendly, always coming home a business, day or night. We'll make it feel just right. From clogged drains to a water heater leak, we fix it strong, we fix it sleek. Clean installs, honest work every time. Evolve and comfort, one rees at a time. We're built on pride, built on trust. When your comfort's down, helping you's a must. Local folks who care like family, that's the way it's always gonna be. Problem solved, thanks Evolve.